In this video, we will be discussing prefix operators. The goal is to evaluate the expression. In order to achieve this goal, we must work through each of the subgoals. The first subgoal is to determine the resultant data type of the expression. The second subgoal is to update the variables for any preoperators, noting any side effects. The third subgoal is to solve the arithmetic equation using operator precedence. In other words, determine the value of the expression. The fourth subgoal applies to assignment statements. If there is an assignment statement, is the left-hand side a variable? Check the data type of the copied value against the data type of the variable. And finally, the fifth subgoal. Update the variables for post operators, noting any side effects. Let's assume the following given declarations. Now, let's evaluate this statement. If invalid, give the reason. If valid, what value is assigned to the variable? Note any possible side effects. Eta equals delta divided by beta plus delta mod plus alpha. Let's begin with subgoal 1. Determine the resultant data type of the expression. Let's look at the right-hand side of the assignment statement and determine the resultant data type. Alpha, beta, and delta are all declared as integers. The right-hand side of the assignment statement contains only integers, so the result is an integer. Subgoal 2. Update the variables for any pre-increment or pre-decrement operators. These are also known as side effects. In this example, we have one pre-increment operator, alpha. That's the plus alpha. Alpha has a value of 2. With the pre-increment operator, the value becomes 3. For subgoal 3, we will now solve the arithmetic equation. Delta divided by beta plus delta mod plus alpha. Delta has a value of 3. Beta has a value of 1. And as we just determined, plus alpha has a value of 3. So, replacing the variables with their values, you get 3 divided by 1 plus 3 mod 3. Because of operator precedence, we know that the division and mod happen first. So 3 divided by 1 is 3. 3 mod 3 is 0. 3 plus 0 results in the value of 3. Remember, an integer divided by an integer is always an integer. For subgoal 4, we look at the thing on the left-hand side of the assignment statement. In this case, eta. Eta is declared as an integer. Can the data type of the right-hand side be assigned to the data type on the left-hand side? Yes, an integer can be assigned to an integer. So, 4 is copied into eta. Subgoal 5 is not used in this example. The statement is valid. The value 3 is assigned to the variable eta. And as a side effect, alpha now has a value of 3.